Hi, this is Erica with OurChurch.com, and thank you for using our WP Easy website builder. It's WordPress made easy. Now let me show you how easy it is to add a calendar to your website. Now, while we're in our dashboard, we go to More, Calendar. Now, if you don't see this calendar here, it's because you need to first activate your calendar. Right here in this area, you just first activate. It'll be right here. But I've already activated mine. So let's go down to Calendar. If it's your first time using this calendar, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, it's free. So just push the sign up button and let's begin. So you just put your first name, last name, email address, and I recommend just choosing this generate password. Don't worry, you can tell it to remember your password right here. And then just click sign up and you're done. Now, Timely's going to send the email that you used a verification code. So just go to that email address and verify your account. And then you'll simply sign into your Timely calendar. Now, once your calendar loads, you'll see that you have a lot of example events. We don't want these events on our calendar. We want to create our own events. So as you can see up in the blue bar, it tells you these are example events. So be sure to get rid of these. And the way you do that is by clicking the green button to remove example events. So let me show you where to get your instructions on how to use your new calendar. So in the bottom left, you'll have this little Get Started button. Remember, this is a Timely plugin, so you'll need to push on these buttons to follow along to their instructions on how to organize, customize, and stylize your calendar. You just push the button and it'll take you right to the Timely website where it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to embed your calendar to your website. So I've already looked over these instructions, so let me show you how to do it. Let's go back to our website. So first thing we want to do is go to Calendar, and then Settings. And then once that comes up, we're going to look on the right side here for the embed code. Let's see, let's scroll down. We need to copy this snippet. But we also now need to create a page for our calendar to go on. So go to Pages, Add New. And now we're just simply going to title it Calendar. And we now need to put that code. But first, what we're going to do is instead of the visual, we're going to choose text. And then we're going to paste that code that we got. And we'll publish. And now let's go to our calendar settings. This is where we can customize and stylize our calendar. So let's see. In the general settings, let's name our calendar. Since this calendar will be on my farm website, I think I'll name it Harvest Calendar. That sounds good. So now, let's see, we just type in the name of our calendar here. Next, we want to go down and save. Make sure you save your changes. It'll tell you that your changes have saved, okay? And you can also choose how to view your calendar. So let's see, month view, that looks good. So this will show you your calendar and you'll just save. So now let's go over to design. There are a lot of different options here, but remember, this is a plugin. So if you decide to change your theme, there may be a cost involved. But what we want to do is go down to View, and we want to make sure that it's the month view. We want people to see the monthly view when they look at our calendar on our website. So again, we'll just go down to Save. It'll tell us our changes have saved, okay? So now let's go to our website and have a look at our calendar. There it is. This is what it will look like. So thank you again for using our WP Easy website builder. Remember, it's WordPress made easy.